Hi there, this is Joan-Marie Domino, and I'm here with my friends from Vippies Designs Decoupage Napkin Shop, www.vippies.com. I've got some of their newest Highland cow designs. They're so cute. I have also included in this video some inspirational projects to show you, and I've also included a couple of DIYs. Let's get started. And this looks like a good place to start. Look how cute this Highland cow is. And she's sitting in a basket, and look at all of the florals. All 4 panels are printed. This Highland cow has florals in the background, not quite as many, bright white, so it's perfect for decoupage. All 4 panels are printed. Now, if you'd like to have something a little bit more realistic, this napkin is definitely like that. It looks like a photograph, and I'm going to open it up. And all 4 panels are printed. Now, this napkin is absolutely darling. Just look into those eyes. So cute. Love the blue planking. I'm going to open it up. You can see all 4 panels are printed. This napkin is very special. As a matter of fact, it's one of the napkins I use in the DIY today. I'm going to open it up so you can see. Well, first of all, it's upside down. All right, this napkin's print goes all the way across. It's got the Highland cows and the florals. Here's a really cute Highland cow, and you're going to get 2 of these. Got the nice planking in the background. I'm going to open it so you can see all 4 panels are printed. Here's another adorable Highland cow. This one is actually sitting in a flower pot. Nice bright white background, but wait, you're going to get 2, and that's 2 napkins at a special price. All 4 panels are printed. This napkin is what we call either a guest or buffet size. It's got 6 panels, and all 6 panels in this napkin is printed, and you actually get 2 of these. This is a really cute napkin, also buffet size. This is like a mommy Highland cow with a couple of babies, planking and all of the sunflowers. And what happened there? Oh, that's right. I used that panel. All right. Here's my first idea for you. That is a 7x7 frame I got from the Dollar Tree. And you'll hear me say this on many of my showcase videos. Just get a frame and put it right inside. All right. So these are some of the napkins I picked out, which would look great inside of a frame. All you really need to do is to change the frame up. You can paint it, you can decoupage the frame, you can attach some faux flowers or some greenery, some bows, and you have like instant wall art. All right, again, this is a frame I got from the Dollar Tree, 7x7. It's the perfect fit. Well, here's some more inspiration for you. I made this cutting board, and I did it with cardboard. You see, I'm working more and more with cardboard because it is so much fun. And all I did is make it in the size where one of the buffet napkins would fit perfectly, and I chose the ones with the Highland cows, with the mommy and the babies. Now, at the very bottom, I left a little space in yellow, and I'm going to put one of Vippies Designs little calendar pads there. Fits perfect. On the back, there's a little strip, and you just peel that off. It's sticky, so all I have to do is place it down there on the bottom. Nothing can be easier. And these calendar pads, they actually come in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. Just peel 1 calendar page off at a time. You can hang it in your kitchen. And remember, this is cardboard. I love working with cardboard. You're going to see more of that coming up. All right, I have more napkins to show you, but I just want to give you a little bit more inspiration. This is from one of my last videos where I used an easel. I got that from the Dollar Tree, and a napkin from Vippies Designs. And this is actually their large size of the calendar pad. It's got that self-stick strip in the back. And I just put it right down there on the bottom. It was such a fun project. Now, I also did another project using the Highland cow. This is the one that you get 2 of. These are wood rounds from Vippies Designs, and this cow fits perfect on there, and it was a simple project. All I did is the iron-on technique and attach the cow to the wood. I have a video that shows you how to do the iron-on technique I'm going to include it in the description box. Once you learn the iron-on technique, you can go ahead and make lots of signs, especially wall art. Vippies Designs has several different wood flats. They have round, they have square, they have coaster size, and they also have bookmarks. These are wooden bookmarks, and you get 4 of these in a package. Okay, this is how you get them, and you don't have to buy a ton of them. You can only buy just what you need. So this is now my first DIY in the video. You can get little containers of Mod Podge from the Dollar Tree. If you're just starting out and you want to give it a try, you don't have to buy a big container. There it is. That's from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to go over the whole top of the bookmark. Wood like this tends to suck up the glue, so you just want to make sure you put enough on and go to all the edges. Here's one of Vippies' newest napkins. It's burlap. I absolutely love it. One of the best background napkins I have seen. Now, I already removed the back ply, so this is just the very top printed ply. I'm going to put it down there on top of the bookmark, smooth it with my finger. I'm also making sure that it's straight. And I have some sandwich wrap. I'm just going to put that on top and just smooth it down a little bit more. Make sure that it's well adhered. Then I'm going to let it dry. Now that it's dry, I'm going to use my finger sander. I love this. It's a great tool to have. I'm going to do a downward stroke and remove all of that extra napkin and all of the things I use, the different supplies. I have given you the link down below in the description box. That looks perfect. Here's a napkin I showed you before. I told you I was going to be using it in a project, and I'm going to take off those back plies. I only want the top printed ply. Now I'm going to remove that Highland cow, and I'm going to use my water brush pen. The water brush pen has a tube of water. The water feeds into the brush, and I'm able to trace around whatever I want to remove from the napkin, in this case the Highland cow. The water weakens the napkin, and I'm able to do a nice soft tear. When you have a nice soft tear like that with the napkin, instead of cutting with the scissor, it blends in so well with the background. I'm almost done, and then I want to show you. See how soft that deckled edge is? But you know what? I'm not going to stop because I like a lot of these florals on this napkin. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with my water brush and remove some of these florals, and I'm going to put them aside for other projects. There, I see I already did a bunch. You should always do that when you have napkins. Take off any little pieces you think you can use. Now I'm going to take some Mod Podge, and that's right, I'm going to go directly on top of this other napkin. You can do that as long as the napkin below is completely dry and well adhered. So this is one of the Highland cows that I cut out, and he fits perfect, or she, up on top. And I'm just going to make sure she's well adhered, and I'm coating it with Mod Podge. Let me hold it up so you can see. Now look. There's the burlap, and there is the Highland cow on top, and it works perfectly. You have to remember, you can combine your napkins and do all kinds of fun things with them. You can use all different colors and come up with all combinations. Alrighty, I smoothed it out, and now I'm going to peel off the sandwich wrap and hold it up so you can see just how adorable that is. Here's a little finishing touch. I'm using my Memento stamp pad and a sponge pouncer. This case, the sponge actually can be replaced, and I'm going to go all the way around the edge, give it a nice vintage look. Memento stamp pads, they are semi-permanent, so they're okay to use in your decoupage projects. There I went all the way around. I'm going to flip it over. I put the burlap napkin in the back as well. All right, but I'm not done. I am now going to put on one of Vippies Designs' little calendar pads. This is actually their smallest size. On the back, there's a little strip. You peel it, and now it becomes self-stick, and I could put it right down there on the bottom, and it is a perfect fit. This would make a great gift to give, especially if you give somebody maybe a book for Christmas. You can include a little bookmark or any holiday or a birthday. Here's another one I did, and in this one I actually used some of the florals I took off with my water brush, and that fits perfect. And here's another one. You know, I could just keep making these over and over again, and it fits down there on the bottom, except this time it's upside down. You want to make sure that the hole is at the top, and the little calendar pad, it fits perfect. Here are coaster-sized woods, also from Vippies Designs. This is something I made. Now, this is not a coaster. I'm actually making this as decor. I'm using the medium size, and on the back, it also has a self-stick strip. I'm just going to put it right down there in the middle under the Highland cow. Now, I'm not using it as a coaster, but you know what? I could put magnets on the back for a fridge magnet. Quick and easy, you gotta love that. All right, I went to the Dollar General and I found these little glass jars and I decoupaged it with mulberry paper and little scraps of napkin from my last project. Mulberry paper is handmade. It has all these little filaments and cotton pieces and threads running through it. Adds so much elegance to your decoupage projects. This is from one of my last videos where I used mulberry paper and I put a rose napkin on top. Oh, add a little battery-operated tea light inside any of your projects that you use mulberry paper, and it is so elegant. You like the mulberry paper? I've got several videos on my YouTube channel, Decoupage D.I.Y. with Joan-Marie Domino. I will put those links below in the description box, and you can give it a try. Very pretty, makes a great gift. Vippies Designs has lots of Highland cow napkins, and they're going to be adding more. They are going to stay on trend. I gave you some ideas in this video, like just framing some of these beautiful napkins. That may be all you need to do. I also took cardboard and I cut it out to the shape of a cutting board, and then I added a medium-sized self-stick calendar pad. Making wood signs couldn't be easier than using the iron-on method. If you have never tried the decoupage, also known as dry glue iron-on method, I will put the links below in the description box. That's how I made this adorable Highland cow sign. If you're looking for a quick little project, maybe you have a crafting group or a church group, I recommend the bookmarks. They are fast and they are easy. And of course, there's something that's very usable. The little calendar pads, the bookmarks, all the napkins, they come from Vippies Designs, www.vippies.com, and Vippies is on Facebook and Instagram as well. I hope this video gave you some inspiration, and if you would like to see more DIY videos like this and tutorials, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Decoupage DIY with Joan-Marie Domino. Give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the little notification button, and also follow me on Facebook and Instagram.